What's up guys? Welcome back to another vlog and welcome back to another unboxing video. So as you can see, nakapantulog na po ako dahil gusto ko nang matulog pero naka-gold, diba? Hayaan nyo na para hindi lang yung mukha ko yung shiny, pati yung accessories ko from Manila. Influencer ka girl. So anyway, I'm going to unbox things from Louis Vuitton. So ito yung mga items na medyo mahirap i-source to sobrang hirap i-source. So, I'm going to start doon sa medyo mahirap i-source. Actually, before, hindi siya ganun kahirap i-source. Pero since medyo uso nga yung mga small bag, so, medyo nahirapan akong kunin siya. It took me like parang mga 1 to 2 months or mga 5 to 7 weeks bago ko siya nakuha or bago na-reserve ng SA ko. So, it's here. Ayan, naka-dust bag pa siya. Baliktad pa pala yung pagkakalagay ko. So, here, ayan, ang daming here. So, Jaran. So, this is in ebon leather. So, this is the Speedy Bundler in size 25. So, it's so small, it's so compact, and it's so classic. So, it's in the mere ebon canvas. Ayan siya. And it's in gold hardware. There. And this one is made in France there. And then it's in gold hardware nga. Tapos yung kanyang lining inside is color red. And then for the Speedy Bundler, of course, meron siyang kasamang strap. It's here that you can hook here para maging shoulder bag siya. And also pwede namang i-handle lang siya here. And also the bag comes with a lock and keys. Ito siya. Wait. Kukunin ko lang. So, ayan. It's also in color gold. And then, the keys are here. So, usually, magkasama siyang dalawang set ng susi. Ayan. And what else? So, this is the strap of the bag. So, this is in color brown as well. Same nung handle color niya or same nung pinaka-leather material niya. And also, this is in gold hardware. Ayan. It says Louis Vuitton. Baliktad pa. And then, this one is adjustable. As you can see, ayan, may mga loophole dyan para i-adjust mo yung length ng kanyang strap. And also, this bag is new production na. So, naka-microchip na siya. So, as you can see, usually dito nakalagay yung kanyang date code. Pero, ayan, wala nang nakalagay na date code. For me to check the microchip, I need the NFC Tools app. Ayan siya. So, I'm gonna open the app and then i-scan ko lang yung bag. So, this is the app pag in-open. So, let's press read. Ayan. And then, usually, kung nasaan nakalagay yung date code niya, is doon din nakalagay malapit yung microchip. So, I'm gonna scan. Ito yung kanyang packet. So, I'm gonna scan from outside. Ito. And then, itapat mo lang yung phone. Ayun. So, nakita niya na merong naka-implant na microchip. Although, yung pinaka-details ng microchip is hindi mo exactly makukuha. Makakukuha mo lang siya doon sa app ng mga SA, specifically para pang-scan talaga ng mga microchip bags ng LV. So, ayan siya. But then, at least we all know na legit siya kasi meron siyang microchip. And I don't think na ganun ka-sophisticated na makukuha ng mga gumagawa ng fake bags yung microchip ng LV. Ayan. So, again, this is Speedy Bundler in size 25. And to the next item na mahirap i-source or medyo mahirap i-source is this one. It's a small leather goods. Ayan. Naka-dust bag, naka-box. And this is, wait lang, I'm gonna pull it out. Jaran. So, this is Pochette in monogram canvas. Ayan siya. So, this item is, ano siya, multi-use siya. May multi-use bang word? Ayan. So, pwede siyang wallet, long wallet, may insert sa loob, and then you can also use this as small bag. And then, pag meron ka mga formal gatherings or mga formal event, perfect to kasi super handy niya. And when you open this, ayan siya, it's in red ba? Or parang fuchsia? I don't know. But I think it's in red lining. And then, ito yung kasama niyang insert. So, this one is parang coin purse. Ayan. And then, ito pa, meron kang parang mga slot for cards like this one. Ayan. So, it also have slot here sa middle. Para kung meron kang bills or cash, dito mo ilagay. And then, the card slot is here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 8 card slot siya. And this one is made in Paris. And then, this one, ayan. Yung kanyang date code can be found inside doon sa may pinaka-back pocket niya. It's in the side. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang date code. This one, hindi pa siya microchip, pero this is produced 2021. And then, it comes with a, ayan, ito yung strap niya nakasama, yung chain strap. Kaya naman, kung meron ka mga formal event, this is so perfect. And then, this is so handy. And then, you can use this one ng kahit saan. And then, ito. So, sobrang gold din nung kanyang hardware. Ayan. So, this is the chain. It's in gold hardware. Ayan. So, meron pa siyang plastic film. It says LV on the hardware. Kita ba? Asan na ba yun? Ayan. It says LV. There. So, medyo mahaba yung chain, pero you can adjust this one. So, again, this is Felicie Pochette. Ayan, it comes with the insert. So, you can use the insert alone or you can put it in the bag. Pero, you can also use the bag alone din naman. Like, you can use this na ganito lang siya and then you put your phone, your essentials, alcohol, cards, bills, and then you're good to go. O, diba? And then, the next item, on to the next item is this compact wallet from LV. So, this is the Victorine Wallet in monogram. It's hard to find or to source kasi yung color niya is very classic. It's in the gold button and then, ayan, brown yung kanyang lining. It comes with different color. Yung fuchsia and then yung parang rose ballerine. Pero this one na classic brown or classic gold, medyo hard to find siya. Ayan. So, this is the Victorine Wallet. So, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 6 card slot and then you can put your paper bills here and then you still have your insert on this side and insert on this side. And this wallet is made in Italy. Ayan. And also, this wallet is already in microchip. Like, pag in-scan natin siya right now, it's in this side. Ayan. See? Nag-check siya. So, ayun. Merong details na lumabas. Pero, this is not accurate kasi nga, yung accurate na date code is makikita lang siya sa mga ginagamit na app ng mga SA. So, this one is Victorine Wallet again. It's very compact and super small lang niya. Okay, next item. So, silang dalawa, tie sila sa pagiging hard to find or mahirap i-source kasi sobrang in-demand nila. Maliit lang sila na item pero grabe. Ang lakas ng demand ng dalawang item na to. So, unahin ko na yung maliit. Ito siya. So, na-unbox ko na to before pero may bago tayong dating. So, this one is the Pochette Class. Ayan. Or Pochette Clay. Ano ba? Pero alam ko, ang pinakatawag sa kanya is key pouch na eh. Parang binago na nila. Ayan siya. And then, the other one naman, it's here. Ay, ang pangit ng sounds. So, this one naman is the mini pochette in monogram. Ayan. So, ayan siya. So, this one is made in France. And then, both of them, wait lang. This one is naka-date code pa siya. So, this one is made na mga 5th week of the month this year. And also, for the Pochette Clay is naka-date code pa rin siya. You can found it inside sa may corner here kung saan nag-stop yung zipper pag inopen mo siya. So, doon nakalagay yung kanyang date code. And this one is sobrang okay siya na gawing bag charm. Like ito, i-open mo lang siya and then, for example, sa Speedy Bundler, i-hook lang natin siya dyan. And then, ayan, you have your bag charm na. Yun nga lang, it's in monogram. So, mas better kung i-bend leather yung iyong key pouch. And also, this one, you can also put this as a bag charm. Although, medyo malaki nga lang siya. Like, for example, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put it also dito sa Speedy Bundler 25. Ayan. So, it's there. So, ayan, it's there. O, diba? Although medyo OA, siguro pag mas maikli, mas okay siya. Like yung mga ganyang kaikli. Ayan. And then, the other side is yung key pouch. Diba? It's so nice. And then, ito, dito ako medyo nahirapan. It took me like mga 4 to 5 months bago ko siya nakuha. Nabayaran ko na siya kay SA and then 4 to 5 months bago pa siya nag-arrive sa akin. So, the item is here. Aray ko. Tumama sa ipin ko. So, the item is here. It's in the box. And then, ayan siya. Also in dust bag. So, I don't know. Hindi ko to pinapansin before pero sobrang useful niya pala. So, this is a pochette accessoire. Ayan siya. Diba? It's so maganda. This one is made in Spain. Kita ba? Ayaw mag-focus. Masyadong maliwanag. Ayan. So, this is made in Spain. And then, when you open it, ganyan lang siya. Ayan. Meron lang siyang back pocket here. Also, kasama yung mga insert niya. And this one is still naka-date code pa rin siya. And it's made 7th week of the month of this year. So, around mga February 2nd to 3rd week. So, ito yung strap na kasama niya. It's in the lightest Pochette leather. Ayan. So, pag i-hook mo siya, ayan, ganito lang. Saan ba? Dito, ayan. Try natin. Yung isang friend ko, ang tawag niya sa bag na ito ay kili-kili bag. Kasi nga naman, nakaipit lang siya sa kili-kili mo. So, ayan. So, ito yung kanyang strap. And then, ganyan lang siya. O, diba? All the essential things can fit here. Your small wallet, card holder, your small alcohol, lipstick powder. Hay nako, kasyang-kasya siya dito. Kaya naman, grabe. So, I'm still on the hunt for this item. 2 pieces kasi I still have orders and also it's so classic nga talaga, 'di ba? So again, this is the pochette accessoire in regular size or yung standard size niya talaga. And then let me show you the mini pochette. Here, ayan siya. So, 'di ba? Medyo half ng size ng mini pochette, ayan. Tapos yung height niya is parang mini talaga ito, pero ito sobrang perfect yung size niya. Although I think mas chic siya tingnan kung may kasamang parang chain yung bag na ito, 'di ba? But anyway, this one is super classic. Here, 'di ba? It's so nice. Ayan. And to our last item, so this particular bag, hindi naman talaga siya sobrang hard to find, pero eventually, magiging hard to find na siya because LV will be discontinuing this item. Actually, naka-discontinue na siya kasi when you check yung mga website na LV, Japan, Singapore, Korea, and yung mga Europe website, hindi na siya kasama doon sa list ng mga item ni LV. And that is this item. Ang laki ng box, pero hindi naman ganun kalakihan yung item. So, this is the Jaran. Ay, wala pala. Naka-dustbag pa siya. So, Jaran, this is the Pochette Toiletry in size 26. So, lahat ng toiletry line nila na ganitong style is discontinued na. Kaya medyo pahirapan na maghanap. And also, kumbaga, isa na siyang collector's item. And luckily, thank you for my SA, nahanapan niya ako ng isang piraso. Although sabi niya pag may dumating pa, iti-text niya ako para ibigay sa akin. Kaya thank you naman in advance. This one is made in Spain. And then when you open this bag is, charan, ganyan lang siya. As in walang any packet or any walang arte inside. As in totally blank space lang siya or isang malaking lang siyang compartment. And then this item is hindi pa siya naka-microchip. It's still in date code that can be found sa side or sa corner. Ayan. So this one is 9-1 yung dulo. So it was made 9th week ng year 2021. So mga around March, tama ba ako? Kasi kung February ay 4. Yeah, I think mga March na siya ginawa. And also, I think the reason kung bakit na-discontinue yung bag na ito, kasi yung mga ibang vlogger, they use this or parang they transform this toiletry pouch into a bag. So, they buy lang yung parang bag organizer and then they put it inside. And then yung organizer na yun is meron siyang lagayan talaga for chain na pwede mong i-hook yung mga bag strap mo. And also, it's up to you to be creative para maging bag siya. So, for me, I have my Marc Jacobs gold chains. So, I'm going to show you kung ano ba yung ginagawa ng mga vlogger na yon para ma-visualize ninyo. And also, I want to share with you soon kung paano ko ba itatransform itong bag na ito or itong pouch na ito as a bag talaga. So, there. Ayan, lagyan mo lang siya ng chain, diba? And then, it's bag na. Yeah, it's good to go. Ayan, o, diba? You have your bag na and it's spacious pa. Although, this one is hindi ko advisable kasi wala pa akong bag organizer. So, once nakahanap ako ng bag organizer for Toiletry 26, I'm going to share with you yung pag-transform ko sa pouch na ito into a bag. O, diba? Naisip ko, lagyan ko siya ng parang chunky na brown or parang gold na kadena or something, di ba dito? Para at least, di ba, class. So again, this is Toiletry 26 and this one is already discontinued in LV. So siguro yung mga nagawa na lang nila ng mga stocks na ganito is yung ilalabas nila sa mga store. Pero next year, I don't think na makakahanap ka pa sa mga store. Once maubos yung mga nagawa na nila, wala na talaga siya. It's goodbye forever. So you can find na lang siguro yung mga ganitong items sa mga reseller, pero it's more expensive kasi nga, it's already discontinued. And that's it for this vlog. I hope na enjoy ninyo yung ating munting unboxing. Stay safe, stay healthy, like and subscribe, and see you on the next vlog. Bye!